So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Grace, and you guys, this is a video that I have already made a set similar like this, but I thought that this would be a nice set to share with you guys. So it's not something that you didn't have seen on my YouTube channel yet, but it is something that I would like to share with you guys. So yeah guys, before you go ahead and watch this video, go ahead on my Instagram and my Facebook and everything on my social medias. Go and show me some love, and then come back and come with me so you can watch this. It's like sky butterfly set. Alright? This is a full set. I've already applied the tips. I will put the tips in the description box below. I've prepped the nails and also applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. And next I'm using the core white from Young Nails to apply on the tips. This is like kind of the method that I'm using to apply to do the baby boomer. I also have a video on how to do a marbled tip ombre nail. So yeah, I will put those videos in the description box below so you can see. But actually what I'm doing is just applying the core white at the tip. I'm making that transition, that ombre, to fade the white in so it won't be bulky when I apply the cover pink to make that transition, that beautiful ombre. I always like to flat down the white or the color that I apply at the tip first so it can get easily in each other. So as you can see, I'm applying the white and then I'm like making a fade or fading that white at the edge where I've applied it so it will be too thick. And then I'm just going in with a small amount of white, blue acrylic, and just making some small like random lines and smudge it in a little bit until I'm happy. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do, and the colors that I've used is the core white from Young Nails, and the blue is a blue that I've mixed with some colors that I had, so I don't have a direct link for the blue. But yeah, so I'm not going to speed up this process so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And a tip that I always give you guys is remember to point your nail downwards so the acrylic can run downwards and will not smash into your cuticle area, and you know, that kind of stuff. So always make sure that gravity helps you and just point the nail downwards. And now I'm using the Cover Pink from Young Nails to apply on the cuticle area and to make the transition. As you can see, I'm using the tip of the brush first to get into the cuticle area, tap tap tap, and then smooth it down on the free edge. If you think that the acrylic is too much, you can just swipe it a little bit off and smooth it down again over the acrylic, white and blue acrylic that we have made that we have applied first. And after I'm happy with the transition, I will encapsulate that with clear acrylic. And yeah, I will put also the link from the Cover Pink in the description box below for you guys. So this is how they look after application. And now I'm using my hand file, my e-file. This is my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to also get the shape right. I don't really have to do a lot with the shape because the tips were already Coffin and I've applied the acrylic like the application was as neat as I could, so I didn't have to file too much. So a tip that I can give you guys is make sure your application is as neat as you can so you don't have to file too much. So next, after I'm using this medium grit bit from Kupa, I will also use the tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. I will also put the link from the bit in the description box below, and if you haven't seen my filing and shaping skills video yet, I will also put that video in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that one out. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning. And next I'm using the Cakes Ink Nails Gel Top Coat to apply on all the nails except from the ring finger, because on the ring finger we are going to apply some butterflies. So I will be applying the foil gel on the ring finger, and I will cure it for 1 minute under my lamp to make sure that the foil gel have the perfect consistency to apply the butterflies on. So cure it for 60 seconds under your LED lamp. And the word that I'm going to learn you guys today from Papiamento to my language from Curacao will be barbulete, and barbulete means butterflies. So now I'm applying the foil gel, and I've already got the butterflies that I want to use on the nail. So now I'm like putting them where I want them to be, and like press. Make sure you press them really hard and on every single edge that you can, because if you don't press it properly, there will be spots that didn't get the foil or the gel. So make sure you press it properly. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And you guys, let me tell you, these nails on my left hand are still the nails from the Gershon set polygel kit that I've used, but I did let them on because I really wanted to know how long they would last and if they will lift or not, but it didn't lift at all. I've got them out down myself, because they, you know, you can walk around with one nail with hand and another hand without nails. So I've just got them down, but I really wanted to see if they will last or if they will lift, but they didn't lift at all. So I'm pretty grateful about that. And yeah, so as you can see, I'm applying the next little small pink pink butterfly. So yeah, I like this color. I like the color combination. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the description box below by commenting a butterfly emoji, so I know that you're still here. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, because you know that's what we are doing over here. We make some bump nails, we make pretty nails. So yeah, just subscribe so you know when I post, turning on the post notification bell. Okay. You guys, this nail I will be covering it with the clear rubber gel from Deep Gel Bottle, because this is a thick gel and it will hold the butterflies down without chipping them. Sometimes it can chip, but I do my best to apply a thick layer so they don't chip. And this is how the nails look. I've cured the nail under the lamp again for 2 minutes, and this is the final result. I've applied some cuticle oil. Pretty for the summer, maybe for the spring. I like these. It's a pretty soft color. Like it. Love it. So yeah guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching. If you have liked this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because we are a big family around here. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post the next time. And share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, your boyfriend and your girlfriend, and you know, your niece and nephews. Yes? Alright. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.